beautiful peeps, my name is John, welcome to my channel. Some of you may remember this little project of mine. It had the Surpass Hobby 3650 brushless motor upgrade in it. I've done, I think, 3 videos. One was with these tyres where it decided to try and destroy my leg. The other 2 were with the original tyres, but because of the fact that the original tyres ballooned up, I could barely keep it in a straight line. So we tried 2S and 3S, and I thought it's about time that we moved on. So I've moved on. What have I moved on to? A 124019. As you can see, the ESC sits a little bit better than what it did sort of hanging over that edge the last time. I haven't actually had a chance to test this. I am hoping it will be good. Sorry. Now obviously we have the GPS meter at the back ready to go here. I wanted to put it underneath the shell, but there just wasn't enough room for now. I'm going to be trying straight away the 3S. The last times obviously I could not test the actual speed because I didn't have a reliable GPS, but now I do, thanks to the GSM 020 that I reviewed on my last video. So how fast can this go? It's got a 3900 kV motor in it, so it should go quite fast. I've got the Team Coralie foam tyres. Feels a little bit tight at the rear. I may have to undo that a little bit. We'll just have to see how it gets on. It can't go any worse than the very, very spinny 144001 that we had. So I think it's just time to get it outside and see if it performs as well as it looks. See you soon. Okay, we just hit 75. So we're going to go back and hit start again. The time is at 11:30 and we'll see what speed we get to now. If you just point it at the car. Stop. Oh, it needs to connect again. Stop and read. 85. Yeah, baby. So that's with the 3S battery and the 3650 Surpass Hobby 3900. Everything else is stock. Absolutely brilliant. Welcome back to the Blue Mat, everybody, and here we have the car. I have to say, really impressed how this handled out of the box. Just checking the wheels there to see if they've got the wobble, which they don't. My super duper solution for the GPS mount failed miserably, but I had it mounted underneath here, right? So yes, we didn't catch it on camera, unfortunately, but it went over like this and somehow smashed the casing here and the GPS flew out. The GPS is absolutely fine, bounced on the ground a few times, but it's absolutely fine, but I just don't know how it managed. Could it have done that and smacked? No, well, I don't know. Doesn't matter. So anyway, the car itself, how did it perform out of the box? Absolutely brilliantly. For sure, the tyres make a difference. So I can recommend getting yourself some nice decent foam tyres. As I said, these are the Team Coralie ones, I think they're called. The hardness is 40 on both the front and the rears. 40 SH or SH40, don't know which way to say that. I believe that the gyro on the receiver helped a lot just to keep it in the straight line, which was very handy to have. So if you don't have a transmitter and receiver with the gyro, if you're doing speed runs, it may be worth getting it. The motor itself, how strong is this? I mean, on that very bumpy road of ours, and it's not exactly straight, it's got a slight sort of angle to the road as well. We got 85 kilometers an hour out of this on the 3S. I actually think that's quite good. It's the fastest that I've got on the island, actually, so I'm well impressed with this. I can't remember the actual price of these because it was a while ago that I bought these, but I believe it was around 35 for the ESC and the motor. The transmitter's around 50. Battery was 2 for 30, believe it or not, and obviously the car. So you get yourself quite a machine for that sort of money. And if you don't want to do speed runs, take these off, put the original tyres on, go blasting. You have as much speed as what you could possibly need. I love it. I truly do. It performed exceptionally well. They're new holes, aren't they? Are they new holes? It's my old car. They look like new holes. Oh well, I'll find that out later. So, links for the motor and ESC will be in the description below. Please use them. It costs you no more, but it helps the channel, gives us a little bit of commission. The link for the car is always there. A link for the controller will be there, and I have no deal with these people, but I really can recommend them. They're very good batteries for very cheap money. Ampao.com. Again, I'll put the link in the description below. Definitely worthwhile getting some foam tyres. If I will put the description for these in the description below as well, because it's well worth getting them. So there you go. I know that this was a short video because we were running out of time, and unfortunately somebody came and parked exactly where we were recording. So we decided to call it a day at that point, but we managed to get 85, so we were well happy anyway. We recorded 3 videos at the one time. So, I wish you all a fantastic day today. Take care of yourselves, stay safe, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you next time. Take care, bye-bye.